if I have learned one thing about launching meme coins successfully, then it's that there are way better opportunities out there than Pump.Fun. I mean, the whole world is using Pump.Fun, and that's exactly the problem. And let me show you why. If we go to Photon and we want to see which coins are being launched on Pump.Fun, we just filter it right here. We click on Pump.Fun and we click on apply. And as you guys can see, there are a shit ton of meme coins being launched every second on Pump.Fun. And here's the thing, your newly launched meme coin will have a way harder time to stand out among buyers that are checking these decks, right? So to get your newly launched meme coin noticed more quickly by buyers, you would just need a DEX with similar buying power but with less competition, right? Easy as that. And I've done quite some testing last week. And this DEX is Radium, guys. I mean, check it out. As you can see, there is just way less competition on Radium. I mean, look at this. Since the last 10 minutes, there have only been launched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 meme coins. Guys, well, I'm pumped on this would have been like over 200 already. And this is the good part, guys. I mean, look at those market caps. Those are fucking crazy numbers. And as we see, every single meme coin that's being launched on Radium right here is being bought. And I'm going to show you here live on screen that the meme coin that we are about to create is going to get bought as well. So next problem, almost every coin here on Radium has been launched by someone who knows how to code, right? And I don't know shit about coding. So this is the trick. I found this website launch tool that allows you to launch Solana tokens on Radium without the need of any coding, guys. I mean, this is sick because now we have access to Radium. So this is coin-factory.dev, and I'm going to launch a coin live for you guys. And the sick part is that you can just do this process over and over again because every time we launch a coin, the coin's going to get listed here on Radium between those other big coins. And that's how you can literally turn a few dollars into thousands of dollars over and over again. So let's start with the setup. The setup is not too much work. So here we are on Canva, and make sure you create a new design that has a size of 128 by 128 pixels. And I will name my meme coin Happy Frog. And I already found an image on Google, so I will just crop it a bit. And there we go. The logo is done, and you just have to save it to your computer. And that's it. And if you don't have a name yet for your meme coin, remember it's a meme coin. Guys, it has to be funny or it should not make sense at all. Recently, animals and politicians do really well, and I've been doing animals for the last few weeks, and it's great at the moment. So, okay, so now we are going to launch the meme coin. So we go to coin-factory.dev. First of all, after going to the site, we need to select the network we want. It's Solana. Now we're ready to create a token. So now you're going to give it the information that it needs. So the name of my token will be Happy Frog, and the token symbol will be HPPYFROG. That's our main token name and the short ticker. Next, we need to specify the amount of supply, how much will be supply of our token. I recommend to set the default settings. This is decimals 9 and also supply 1 billion. Why? Tokens with Pump.Fun always migrate with 1 billion supply, so we will have a better chance for large purchases, as some people will think that it is already migrated token. The description will be something random, just a happy frog, frog nothing more, nothing less. You don't have to fill out the description. I never fill it out, but you can write anything you want here. And here we upload the logo of our coin, right? Next, so we don't change anything in the token economics. We go over here to next, since we launched on Radium and not on some oversaturated Pump.Fun DEX. So buyers will see our meme coin for sure, right? Here we can see revoke authorities and don't touch these setting, guys. I mean, look at what this does. If you disable these settings, like for example, revoke freeze over here, it allows the coin creator to freeze token accounts of holders, and the buyers can see this. And I mean, which investor would want to buy a coin that can be frozen by the creators, right? So same story for the other two options. Just don't touch them and just turn them on. Be as transparent as possible with your buyers. What they buy is what they get, and nothing can change the token characteristics. So we do not change those settings. We just click on launch my token now, and there we go. We will see our wallet pop up, and we will approve transaction. Confirm. And there we go, guys. Our token has been created. So the first field over here is our token address. Let's just copy it, click it, and let's have a look at source. Can click on the link. And here we can see that our meme coin, Happy Frog, has been created. Guys, this is our coin. This is our token. So that's perfect. All right. So next thing we need to do is create a liquidity pool. We need people to be able to buy our meme coin. And without liquidity, this is not possible. So just click on create a liquidity pool. It will send us the right to redeem. And we just connect our wallet over here in the corner. Click your phantom wallet. All right. So the base token, guys, this is what we are putting in the liquidity pool for trading. And of course, this has to be our meme coin happy fork in this case, right? So let's just click it and we go back to launch tool. Copy the token address, the first one, and just paste it over here. Now we have to insert the token symbol and the name. Now we click on add user token and there we go, happy frog. Now we have to decide how many of our tokens we put into the liquidity pool. And remember, we have a total supply of 1 billion. Let's put 900 million of our tokens into liquidity pool, right? And the quote token is what we pair our meme coin with. So that is Solana. In this case, click Solana. And as you can see over here, I still have like 2.3 Solana in my wallet. And you can just deposit all of your Solana because there is no way you could lose this amount. You will actually be the first buyer, so don't worry about that. Just click on max over here. And now we have to decide the fee tier. So let's just put it on 2% over here, 2%. And yeah, just make this a little bit less. So I just deduct like 0.2. So we can pay the creation fee of 0.2. So as you can see in the yellow text and click on initialize liquidity pool. Now we just click on confirm over here in the wallet and there we go, guys. Again, pool created successfully. Now you will see our token on Radium. Let me show you. So here we are again on Photon. And as you can see, the DEX is Radium. And here we see on the fourth position, happy frog, right? Check it out, guys. We are officially on Radium right now. So let's go to DEX screen and here you can see a lot of random coins. Just click on any random coin and now you want to copy your token address, which you can find in our lounge too, of course, and you want to paste it in the URL. Here you see dex.com/solana/another token address and just paste yours over there. There we go, guys. This is happy fork. Now just wait a minute and the buyers will come for sure. We already see in the order book, we already see some small orders, but those are probably bots that must be bots because the orders are very small. But give it some time and you will see that the first buyers will come. Guys, in the meanwhile, let's see if we can already see the pool. No, we cannot see it yet. Most of the time, this takes a few minutes. So let's just wait a little bit, guys. Easy as that. While we are chilling, the first order gaming, guys, as you can see, $238, which is like 1.2 Solana. That's a great start. So let's see if we can see the liquidity pool already on Radium. So just keep refreshing it, guys. Not yet. So let's wait a little bit. By the way, we can see that the liquidity at the moment is 1.3K. So I really hope we can get to at least, like, there we go, guys. Order just as we speak. How much is it? $213, 1 Solana, 0.1 Solana. That's great. Let's switch to the 1 minute chart and we already can see a nice chart bumping to the upside. And that's the great thing, guys. You can do this over and over again. Let's have a look at Radium over here. Nothing yet. So yeah, we'll just wait a little bit more. And there we go. Another order, $203 and 1.04 Solana, guys. So I think it's time to abandon ship and yeah, let's abandon the ship. So here we are on Radium on the portfolio tab. And you can see that finally the pool has shown up. So let's go to standard over here. And here you see the minus symbol. And yeah, make sure you have connected your wallet, by the way. So yeah, if we want, we can click on the minus to remove the liquidity. But remember, this is for educational purposes, guys. This is for educational purposes. So let's click on the minus and put the slider on 100% and click on remove liquidity. And now the wallet will pop up. We click on confirm and there we go. Liquidity has been removed. So let's check out the result. And we just go to our wallet over here. I'll always love this moment. And as you can see, we have $100 in our wallet, guys. 5.89 Solana. While we started with like 2.6 Solana, we just printed $600 in 20 minutes. And that's 20 minutes, guys. Because like I said, you can do this over and over again. I have never printed money this easily, so make the most of it while you can, because this method won't last forever. If you have any questions, you can join my free Telegram group below, and I'll